We guide you through how to set up automatic reminder messages in Slack. So first, open Slack and go to the channel or direct message where you want reminders to appear. If you want a personal reminder, type slash remind me followed by your message and the time, like slash remind me to submit the report tomorrow at 9 a.m. If you want to remind an entire channel, type slash remind hashtag channel followed by the reminder and schedule, such as slash remind hashtag marketing team meeting every Monday at 10 a.m. Press enter and Slack will automatically confirm that your reminder has been created. To view or manage all your reminders, type slash remind list where you can see upcoming reminders, mark them as complete or delete ones you no longer need. Using Slack built-in reminder feature is a simple way to stay organized, never miss important tasks, and keep your team on schedule without needing any party or third-party apps.